Phonics for Beginners, Reader 4. Words with initial and final digraphs. Let's read. A digraph is two consonants blending to produce a single sound. The ch sound is an initial digraph. Read the words aloud. Ch, chair, chick, chin, chips. Let's read together. Where is the bag of chips? Here is the bag of chips. A chick eats the chips on the chair. Let's read. A digraph is two consonants blending to produce a single sound. The sh sound is an initial digraph. Read the words aloud. Sh, shell, ship, shore, shoe. Let's read together. I see shells on the shore. I do not wear shoes when I pick shells on the shore. Let's read. The th sound is an initial digraph. Read the words aloud. Stick out the tip of your tongue between your teeth to make the initial th sound. Th, thick, thin, thorn, 3. Let's read together. 3 thin books. 3 thick books. Thomas said, "Ouch! A thorn poked my thumb." Revision. Color the words in the boxes with the same digraph sound. Ch, chair, chips, chin, chick, sh, shoe, ship, shore, shell, th, thin, 3, thick, thorn, Let's read. A digraph can be in the initial or final position of a word. The ch sound is an initial digraph and it is also a final digraph. Read the words with final digraph ch aloud. beach, beach. March, peach. Rich, let's read together. March, march, march. Let's march on the beach. Can I touch the peach? Let's read. The sh sound is an initial digraph and also a final digraph. Read the words with final digraph sh aloud. Sh, brush, dish, wash, fish. Let's read together. Here is a fish. Here is a dish. Wash the fish. Put the fish in the dish. Let's read. The th sound is an initial digraph and also a final digraph. Read the words aloud. Remember to stick out the tip of your tongue between your teeth to make the final th sound. Moth, cloth, mouth, teeth. Let's read together. A moth is on the cloth. Chase the moth away. I brush my teeth when I have a bath. Let's read. The k sound is a final digraph. Read the words aloud. K, duck, brick, lock, rock. Let's read together. Where is the duck? The duck is on a rock. Where is the lock? The lock is on the brick. Let's read. The nk sound is a final digraph. Read the words aloud. Nk, drink, sink, wink, tank. Let's read together. Can you wink while you drink? I think I put my pink glass into the sink. Let's read. The ng sound is a final digraph. Read the words aloud. Ng, ring, king, sing, wing. Let's read together. Here is a king. Here is a ring. The king sings because he has a ring. Revision. Match the pictures with the correct words. Cloth, ring, wink, peach, lock, dish, let's read. A silent digraph is written with two consonants, but one consonant is silent when you read it aloud. The n sound is an initial silent digraph where the k is silent. Read the words aloud and remember to keep the k silent. N, knee, kneel, knife, knot, let's read together. I knocked my knee. It is hard for me to kneel now. There's a knot in the rope. Use a knife to cut the knot. Let's read. The s sound is an initial silent digraph where the c is silent when it is followed by an e or I. Read the words aloud. Don't forget to keep the c silent. S, seen, scent, scissors, scientist. Let's read together. What a beautiful scene! I love the scent of roses. May I please cut a few with a pair of scissors? Let's read. The m sound is a final silent digraph where the b is silent. Read the words aloud. Don't forget to keep the b silent. Climb, comb, lamb, thumb, let's read together. Little lamb, do not climb so high. Here is a comb. Let's comb the lamb. Let's read. The l sound is a final digraph with double consonants that we read aloud as one sound. Read the words with final digraph aloud. Bell, doll, well, hill. Let's read together. Where is the well? The well is on the hill. Bill and Jill went up the hill to ring the bell. Let's read. The s sound is a final double consonant blend. Read the words with final double consonant blend s aloud. S, glass, dress, press, toss. Let's read. Make a pancake. Toss a pancake. Press it if you can. What a beautiful dress! Revision. Circle the correct word for each picture. Lamb, climb, knee, dress, scene, bell.